This is Mamutas and Meraz. Welcome to another solution tutorial of SolidWorks. Today we are going to solve this 3D problem. In this 3D problem, this is the isometric view, this is the top view, this is the front view, and this is the right side view. I will start drawing from the front view. In the front view, first I will draw this rectangle, and this rectangle has a dimension of 100 plus 20. It means 120 by 20, and then I will draw another rectangle alongside it, and this another rectangle has a dimension of 80 by 10. Then I will trim this portion. After that I will extrude boss it to 100 unit, and for extrude bossing I will extrude boss in the direction 150 unit and in the direction 2 50 unit. So select the front plane. Now sketch. Now select corner rectangle, place the corner rectangle to the origin. Now dimension it to 20 by 100 plus 20. Now again place the corner rectangle here, and now dimension it to 10 by 80. Now press OK. Now select the trim option and trim this line. Now press OK. Isometric it for a better view. Now go to features and then extrude boss. As the total extrude boss is 100 units, so I will extrude boss it to 50 unit in direction 1, and in the direction 2 I will extrude boss it to 50 unit. Now press OK. In the top plane I can see a slot here, and this slot has a dimension of 50, and it has a radius of 6. So I will draw first this slot, then after that I will draw this circle, and this circle has a diameter of 10, and it has a distance of 25 by 20, and I have another circle here. It is apart from 40 unit. After that I will draw a center line here, then I will mirror this other circle and slot also. So I am selecting the top plane. Now sketch. Now normal to it. Now select the straight slot option. Now place the slot here, and now dimension it to 50 by, as we have, it has a radius of 6, so the total dimension will be 6 multiplied by 2. So you can manually dimension it like this. It has a total dimension of 50 and a radius of 6 unit, and we can see it is 20 unit apart from this line. So I am dimensioning it from this to this 20 unit, and it has 50 unit apart from this vertical line. So I am selecting this point and this vertical line and dimension it to 50 unit. Now press OK. After that select a circle, and now place a circle here and draw a circle of 10 diameter. Now select smart dimension option. Now dimension it from this line to 25 unit. Now select the circle again and dimension it from this vertical line to 20 unit. As I have another circle, so I will draw another circle alongside this center line and dimension it to 10 diameter. Now select smart dimension. Now select these two circle, and they are apart from 40 unit. Now we will use the mirror features to mirror all the entities. For doing this I need a center line, so I am drawing a center line here. Now press OK. Now select the mirror entities. Now select this slot and these two arc. Now select mirror about this center line. Now press OK. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features and extrude cut, and change the direction to upward. Now press OK. Here we can see we have a chamfer here, and this chamfer has a dimension of 20 by 20. So we can say that it is a symmetry chamfer. So I am selecting the chamfer option. Now selecting this option. Now select symmetry and dimension it to 20 unit. Now select this corner and also select this corner. Now press OK. Now isometric it. Now if I see in the uh, right face or right side, in the left face we have this shape, and this shape has a circular profile like this one, and this circular profile has a dimension of 25 unit, and from this 25 unit dimension I have a tangent line here and another tangent line here, and after drawing this tangent line I will close the shape and draw a extrude cut hole of 20 diameter. So for this I am selecting the left face. Now select sketch. Now normal to it. Now draw a circle of 25 radius. So drawing a circle of 25 multiplied 2, it means 50 diameter. Now dimension it to, here you can see it is 60 unit apart from this horizontal line. So in dimension it to, from this horizontal line is 60 unit. So after drawing this, I select the line option and place a line here, and now I'll draw the tangent line, and now select another point here from here and draw another tangent line. After that you can close the shape like this one, and as we have a extrude cut hole in the middle, so I will draw a 20 diameter circle here. Now select the trim entities option and trim all the unnecessary part we don't need. Now press OK and isometric view for a better view. And here we can see it has a extrude boss of 20 unit. So I am selecting the feature option. Now select extrude boss. Now dimension it to 20 unit. Now reverse the direction. Now press OK. As you can see, we have drawn our 3D sketch. Thank you for watching till the end.
Thanks for watching, and keep learning. Be different.